everyone. I hope you all are doing fine. Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the fourth poem from grade 6 CBSE, and the name of the poem is Beauty. It's written by E. Shurin. So, to set the context, beauty is defined in many ways. It can be defined in many ways. It can have various forms, but beauty is happiness. And the poem is all about the fact that beauty is in everything. You know, the mountains, the corn, even your soul is having beauty to it. So all things are beautiful in their own unique ways. All the way from sunlight to rainfall, to the singer who sings, to the night falls. Beauty is not something external. It's not just outside, but it is within. Beautiful is the self. One has to be beautiful and known for one's deeds, for helping others. And everyone out there is beautiful. So let's see what the poet has to offer in this poem. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. So corn is a crop right here that you can see. Harvest is the time when the crop is ready. So when you cut it and sell it off in the market, that's harvest. So here the poet is trying to explain that, it's a very famous quote that beauty can be seen anywhere. And if you see something beautiful, that's not because it is beautiful, but because you have something deep within you that's more beautiful. It's the attitude that gets reflected. It's your personality. So beauty is seen everywhere. It can be seen in the sunlight. It can be seen in the trees. They're beautiful. The birds, the growing corn, the people who dance to show their happiness when their crops, their hard work gives fruit, when the crops are ready. So there's a very beautiful quote which says, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, which means if you see something beautiful, it is because you are reflecting your own self. If you don't see beauty around you, because there's something going wrong within you. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing and rain falling. Or a singer chanting. Chanting means singing. Anything in earnest. Earnest, which is something that's very deep, very sincere, very serious. That's earnest. So, sighing basically means that sound that the wind makes when it's blowing. You can also relate it to the sound that you make when you take air in, that's inhale or exhale. So the poet is trying to explain that you can feel beauty. Of course, it can also be heard. You can listen to it. And how can you hear beauty? How can you listen to it? One can listen to the beauty when the wind is blowing like here. When the rain is falling, that's beauty. Or the singer is singing, as in this case. You enjoy the music, you enjoy the song. So one can even feel it very sincerely if one is true to oneself. If one is in the state of being true, free from any doubt. So when you have no doubts, when you really wish to reflect yourself, there you find beauty. You don't have any ill will against other person. That's beauty within you. Beauty is in yourself. Good deeds, happy thoughts. Deeds means acts. That repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Repeat means happen again and again. So the poet is trying to explain that beauty isn't something that's external. That you see that, oh, the person is wearing makeup, he looks beautiful. No. It is something that you see within yourself. It's not always external. If one has very good views, if one is very, very kind, considerate, understands others' problems, has happy thoughts, and beauty can be observed in different ways. Of course, in your own dreams, even when you're taking rest, beauty can be one of the works that you do, or even in the style of taking rest. So it's one's own idea, one's own perception. So if you find something beautiful, it's because you are beautiful deep within. It cannot be related to just one thing. It has many aspects. Rather, I'd say everything has something beautiful in it. It's just the right point of view, the right vision, the right heart, and the right person that's needed to reflect the beauty, to understand it. And that's all about this poem, which means if you have those eyes, that heart, that soul, which can find beauty in almost anything and everything, then you are a beautiful soul. So that's all about the poem. In case you like, please like, share and subscribe.